Hey, what's up guys? So this is a quick video on how to install a micro SIM card on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. First up, you're going to need one of these little guys, and it comes with the box, but if for some reason you don't have one, a paper clip will do. And then on the left hand side of the phone, put it inside, boom, it'll lift something like that, and you've got the SIM card tray out. So get the SIM card. Let's see if I can get this, pick it up. There we go. And then we put it in. Wait, it goes this way. There, wrong way, that way. Cool, now it's in. You can see it's flush. And then we get the device. Now, where the little hole is, little hole. And we put it in. Poof, done. And it's that easy. Thanks for watching.